Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. I hope everyone had a wonderful, fun, and safe 4th of July weekend. For those of you who haven't watched our videos before, my name is Chloe Banning. I'm a PA at Mangat Plastic Surgery Institute and Skincare. So today happens to be a special day. It is International Kissing Day. So we wanted to take some time to educate you about a new filler that's on the market here in the US called Kysse.
So, Chloe, what is Kysse and why is it different and special?
Yeah, great question. So let's jump right into it and learn some more about Kysse. So Kysse is actually a filler made by the Restylane company. So Restylane makes several different types of filler, and Kysse is their newest one on the market here in the US. Now, just like its name, it was specially developed for injection in the lips. So it's used to help create a more full lip, a more hydrated lip. One thing that's really nice about Kysse is it's a very soft filler, so I can give you a very soft, natural lip augmentation, but it also has a little bit of structure to it because if I'm injecting the lips, I want to create a nice border and create a nice lip shape. So Kysse blends the perfect amount of softness with a little bit of structure. Now, something that's also really neat about Kysse is it's part of the Restylane Expression Technology line. So these fillers also include Restylane Refine and Restylane Define. And what the expression technology means is it means it's very elastic and very flexible. And so this is wonderful when we're putting filler into the lips or around the mouth because, of course, we're always talking and chewing and using this area. So we want a very elastic filler that's going to look really natural. Now, even though Kysse is brand new to the market here in the US, it's not new worldwide. It's actually been used in Europe for 6 years. So there have been many syringes injected, so we know it's a safe product. And we're really excited to be offering Kysse here in our office. My clients are already loving it so far.
So, Chloe, what do you tell somebody who's afraid of what their lips will look like, having the quote-unquote duck lips? What happens with lip filler, and how do you prevent duck lips?
Yeah, great question. So that is a concern that I hear often. My clients come in, they've seen pictures on the internet or on TV, and the lips look too big, too projected. I can reassure you that I use techniques to prevent duck lips. So what happens with duck lips is that the filler is placed in a way where it causes the lips to project too far out. I avoid this, and instead I use techniques where we can give a subtle enhancement and just slightly evert the lip up to make it look natural, yet a little bit more full. So I can assure you that when you come to see me for lip fillers, you're not going to have duck lips.
So along those lines, what can somebody who's never had lip filler before expect? And what happens after the treatment? What's the effect after that?
Yeah, great question. So what you can expect when you come into the office, of course, we're going to do a consultation and I want to talk to you and hear about what your goals are for your lip filler. Then we'll use a numbing cream. So we use a high-strength topical numbing cream that is going to help to make the little pokes from the needle feel a little bit less. The product itself has lidocaine in it as well. So once it's injected into that area, the lips will numb. And you still feel them a little bit, but it is definitely tolerable. After the treatment, you will have some swelling, so that evening, the next day, your lips will look bigger than the final result. The swelling takes about 2 to 3 days to settle down. Bruising is also a possibility. Of course, anytime we're putting a needle into the skin, there's always a possibility of bruising. If this does happen, it tends to last for about a week. We do have a laser here, though, in our office, so if you get a blue or a purplish bruise, you can always call us and come in and I will do a complimentary laser treatment. It takes about 2 weeks for your lips to fully settle and for the final result to be noticeable.
And how long do the fillers last?
Yeah, great question. So Kysse was, in their studies, they found that the lip filler lasted 1 year. Now there's a little caveat to that. Most of the people in this study received on average 1.8 syringes of filler, so almost 2 syringes of filler to their lips. Now, when most of my clients come in, we start with 1 syringe injected into the lips. And most people are really happy with that result, so we don't need to add more. The only thing is if you have less filler, like 1 syringe as compared to 2 syringes, it's not going to last for quite as long. So in real life, what I notice is that lip fillers tend to last 6 to 9 months. Another thing that influences that is we're always talking, animating this area around the mouth, and that causes the product to be metabolized a little faster.
And so how will my partner like the look and, dare I ask, the feel of my lips?
I love this question. Yeah, so my clients tell me that their partners love their lips, and that's what I've heard in my experience. But the interesting thing is the Restylane company actually did a study on kissability with their new filler Kysse. And they found that 98% of partners were more satisfied with the kissability of the lip filler. So overall, the partners are very satisfied.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
So tell me, are there any specials going on right now that people out there can take advantage of?
There are, yes, of course. So for the month of July, we want you to be able to come in and try out Kysse. So we're offering $75 off of a Kysse lip filler treatment. Additionally, if you're interested in also having a neuromodulator treatment, that's like Botox or Dysport, you can come in and get a combination of Kysse and Dysport for $150 off.
Well, that sounds great. Chloe, thank you so much for telling us all about Kysse.
Yeah, of course. Well, we hope to see you soon. Again, we always offer free consultations, so you can always come in and chat with me first, and we'd love to see you here in the office. Happy International Kissing Day.
And for more information, you can call 970-766-3223 or look us up on Facebook or our website at mangatplasticsurgery.com. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.